How to set up Shopify store step by step for dropshipping. If you're looking to set up your Shopify store for dropshipping step by step, here what you can do, just follow these steps I'll show you guys in this video. The first step we're gonna do is head over to settings, which is on the bottom left corner. And now here you will see tons of options popping up on your screen. We'll go to domains, which is right here. And in domains, we'll buy a new domain, or if you have already bought a domain, for example from GoDaddy or Hostinger, simply click on this one and connect your domain. The next step is heading back to the main page of our Shopify store and going to the online store section, which is on the left bar. Click on it, and here start customizing your theme. For example, the default theme is set to dawn. You can select different ones by swiping down here. So start setting up your store. The next step we're going to do is head to different drop shipping supplier. For example, Zendrop. For example, Deezer's right here. So simply go and connect these with your Shopify store. You can do this by searching them on Google, or you can go and click on this add apps option and connect them from right there. After that, start adding products into your Shopify store by clicking on this product section right here. And here simply go import a product, or you can click on this add product button and it will open up an interface like this one. So, well, that's how you can start your Shopify store for dropshipping. These are all the necessary steps you need to do before setting up your dropshipping Shopify store. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.